What's up, guys? So we have one announcement here. On February 15th, me and Chad are doing a gymnastics workshop. So it'll be going from noon to 2:30-ish, okay? And it's on Saturday, so we still have our 8 o'clock open gym and our 9 o'clock class. What else do we got in here?
It is free for our members. For non-members, it's going to be $40, so everyone is welcome here. We're going to be going over a few things. We're going to be going over different variations of handstands, pull-ups, muscle-ups on the rings, on the bars, and we're going to find out what block, tap, stop, snap means. What does that mean? Guess we're going to have to find out, right?
Want to learn it, you got to come. Yeah?
February 15th.
See that gymnastics cartwheel? Nailed it. Make sure you come to the gymnastics workshop.
Yes, please be there. We could probably clean up a little. It looks good. We should probably be